In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set minimum stay Airbnb 2026 step by step. First, open Airbnb and sign into your host account. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the listing you want to update. If you use both guest and host features on Airbnb, you may need to switch into hosting mode before you can access your property settings. This is important because the host tools are where your availability and booking rules are managed. Once you're in hosting mode, go to your listing section and select the property you want to edit. If you manage more than one listing, take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct one. That helps avoid changing the settings for the wrong property. After that, navigate to the availability section in your listing settings. This is where Airbnb lets you control when guests can book and what booking rules apply. Inside availability, look for the trip length or minimum nights setting. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the website, but it will be the setting related to how many nights guests are required to book. Now choose the minimum number of nights you want guests to stay. For example, you might set a 2-night minimum, a 3-night minimum, or even a 7-night minimum depending on how you run your property. Shorter minimum stays can attract more bookings, while longer minimum stays can reduce turnover and cleaning frequency. The best option depends on your hosting strategy. If you want more flexibility, you can also set custom minimum stays for specific dates or seasons. This is especially useful during holidays, local events, or peak travel periods when demand is higher. For example, you may want a longer minimum stay during busy weekends, while keeping a shorter minimum for regular dates. Before you finish, review your availability settings carefully to make sure the minimum stay rule is correct. This quick double check can help prevent booking issues later and ensures the rule matches what you intended. Once everything looks right, save your changes to apply the new minimum stay requirement. Don't skip this step, because your updates won't take effect until they're saved. Finally, check your listing preview or your calendar to confirm the updated minimum stay is now active for future bookings. This final check helps you verify that guests will see the correct booking requirement when they choose their dates, and that's how to set a minimum stay on Airbnb in 2026 step by step.